Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Cplusplus computer tutorials. I'm Jevizo Oj official. In this video, I'm gonna teach you about types of array. We already learned about array, like definition, a way of declaration and initialization. So if you are missed, please you can go back and watch our videos again so that we can go together, right? Yeah, and if you are new here, please don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues so that they can also learn different programming language through this channel, which is Cplusplus computer tutorials. So without spending much more time, let's get started. Yeah, alright, now let us start with some thing we need to notice about array. Actually, array, as you have seen, is a collection of data of same data type. Array, it is used to store a group of data simultaneously. It can store data of same data type, means an integer array can store only integer value. Character array can store only character value, and so on. We can not fetch data from array directly, therefore we use index point, right? Then the indexing of array always start with 0. When you are indexing array, we start from 0. The other one, index value, is always an integer number. And then array may be of any data type like int, char, float, etc. So those are points we need to notice about array before starting to discuss about their types. Alright, now let us proceed with types of array. Actually, we have two main types of array, which are single dimension array and multi-dimension array. So when we discuss with single dimension array, is a kind of array where data is collected or arranged in terms of row or column. We can arrange data in only row or column. So for example, when we say int age5, to mean int is the data type, a is an array name, and 5 is a size, right? So let us jump into a second type, which is multi-dimensional array. Of course, when we say word multi to mean more than one. So when we say multi-dimensional array is a type of array where data is collected or stored in terms of rows and columns. So we can also say that is a type of array where data is stored in terms of matrix or table, because each element has two indices, which are index represent row and another one for represent column, right? For example, when we say int age 3 to mean here we make array declaration of two dimension, where int is a data type, array name is age, and size is 3 as row and 3 as column. So those are two main types of array we have in Cplusplus. So in simple words, the main difference between the two types of array is this one. For single dimensional array, data are collected in terms of row or columns, while in multi-dimensional array, data are collected in terms of rows and columns, or in terms of matrix or table. So about relationship, I will know that array in general is a collection of data with same data type. So this is a summary of main types of array we have in Cplusplus program. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that they can also get full access to our amazing lessons. And please don't miss the next lesson, where we'll start a practical exercise about single dimensional array like programs to arrange elements in order, either in ascending or descending order, like programs to search the position of element value or at the certain position, and so on and so forth. So let me see you in the next one.